Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 text not displaying correctly. To begin, enter display on the search box. Open Display Settings. Here on the Display Resolution field, you can select any resolution that improves the view of the text on screen. After, it is possible to adjust the scaling from the Scale option. Now click on HDR, check if it is compatible on your display. Again on Display, click on the option Advanced Display. After this, check if there is any refresh rate in the line, choose a refresh rate. Now in the search box, enter Advanced. Click on View Advanced System Settings. In Performance, click on Settings. Check that the option is Enable. Let Windows choose what's best for my computer. If necessary, apply the changes to do this. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.